Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
I'm planning to listen to David Goggins' Can't Hurt Me audiobook on Audible. I've actually read that book previously, and it's an amazing book. It's a personal development book. It's not a self-help book. It's actually a personal development book. If you actually follow what he says in the damn book, you will see the changes happen literally by the time you finish the book. So I've read it, and I guess my sister took the book, and I don't know, I guess I just want to get into something a little more intense. I wouldn't say intense, but something which is related with mental toughness. I guess I need to toughen that thing more up. So I will be starting that. Apart from that, I'm already listening to another book. So I do listen to a lot of audiobooks. I do a morning walk after I wake up and drink my oats shake. I walk for 45 minutes, that 75 hard challenge thing. Left it as a habit, so I walk every single day, even now. So while walking, I listen to that audiobook, or I do my work. And apart from that, while working out also, I do listen to the audiobook. And while taking a shower, yes, I do listen to it even while taking a shower. Although it's not that I wouldn't recommend that, because you've got to pay a lot of attention to it. Anyways, audiobooks are really helpful because it saves a lot of time. You can do other things and also listen to it. And but if you actually pay attention and actually listen to it, they are going to be very beneficial. And this book, Can't Hurt Me by David Goggins, is definitely going to be very helpful. My entire physique, which has suddenly, it was already going well, but then suddenly David Goggins put in a mentality where I had to up the level. Yes, he was the one who introduced me to the Goggins mentality. Yeah, I can call that. Anyways, yesterday I was cracking my fucking knuckles, and I cracked my middle finger, and then this one. I went to crack it and it kind of hurt, and I let it be. So today morning I woke up and this was swollen. Yeah, middle finger was swollen. Anyways, I had to go work out, and I did go work out. Initially it was kind of annoying, but then so in the gym I can get into a zone. So anyone who's been going to gym for a decent amount of time probably will understand this. You can get into a zone literally when you're in the gym, where everything is blocked out. You are in your own space, and you can literally see the narrative which is being played in your mind, and you can literally feel your internal organs function. Yes, especially the breathing. So when you go hard at it, the breathing becomes very evident for you. So your focus and attention is there to control it slowly, not suddenly, but control it slowly. So you have this internal awareness of your organs as well. So this zone kind of thing, actually is the only reason why I go really hard in the gym, and that's the only reason why I enjoy gym in the first place. In this zone, you get to know a lot of things. I don't know how, but it just happens. I get to know a lot of things about myself too. And today was one of those days that I went into this zone. It really didn't hurt much. I can bend it, but after this point, it hurts. So I had to hold weight something like this, I guess. That's all right. But actually, the intensity was almost the same. I wouldn't say it was exactly the same, but it was almost the same. But yeah, I had fun, and I'm going to get it checked today. Sorry, tomorrow in the morning. Once I get it checked, I'll get to know what exactly happened with this. So those were the updates. And by the way, something really insane happened. A friend of mine came across an insane fucking opportunity because his sister forwarded the podcast link to somebody, and they really liked what he was speaking, and he is now involved in an insane and amazing opportunity. So this reel, I'm going to put it out there, so it's just exciting. So that will be it for today.